the volcano rumbles. The animals must shelter before...
Before what?
Do you know, I can't remember. Me and my memory. Sorry, dears. I've got to get back to my dusting.
Oh, but this is terrible. Are we in danger? Oh, Zed, what's going to happen?
We're going to have a real adventure. That's what's going to happen. Follow me, Natalie.
Surprise! It's a party for Armadillo. Una fiesta! Balloons! Streamers! Confetti! Look at all the animals that are coming out of the sea! We found them! Armadillo! All the animals got together at the zoo to have a surprise party for you. They wanted to thank you for being such a good friend.